Welcome back to New Day Cleveland. We're keeping your skin happy, healthy, and beautiful. I have experienced it firsthand thanks to this lovely lady as well from Apex Skin. Please welcome Eva Mahoney. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
I'm always in her office and now you're in mine.
Yeah, I get to be in your chair finally.
I love having you here. I love discussing. I learn so much from you when I come in and have appointments. And one of the things that is just really amazing to me is this whole 360 approach that Apex takes from start to finish and really transforming people.
Absolutely. So Apex is great. We have our general dermatologists that are trained to do skin checks from head to toe. We have a Mohs surgery team that's trained to take out any skin cancers that they may find. We have our own lab in-house where we can kind of analyze your skin where we don't have to send it out. We have our own research team that can kind of help find different avenues that we may not be able to treat you in the office. And then we have aesthetics too, which is great, where we can take care of any cosmetic concerns as well. So it's wonderful. We have it all on the same roof.
And you're looking right now at the video. This was me initially just wanting to remove something that we thought, could be suspicious, maybe not. And then come to find that it was. So that was just step one. And then this is proof of the whole 360 approach. We did the Mohs surgery.
Yeah, you're the perfect example. We saw it, we took it off, we sent it to the lab, we did the Mohs surgery in-house, and then you came to see me and we're talking about scar revision after that. So patients really have a great opportunity where we get to treat you from diagnosis all the way to completion, and then even after that, once everything's removed, we can kind of do any revision if needed.
And I think oftentimes people think of if you're not going for dermatology and you're going for aesthetics, it's all about just the way your skin looks. They're not thinking about the many ways in which what you do there helps transform lives, because some people have gone through really traumatic things, have really bad scarring.
Absolutely.
And there are these wonderful lasers that you use to help with things like that even.
Yeah. So we have lasers that can help treat different scars that are raised, scars that are depressed, different pigment of scars if they're a little bit more red. We have microneedling that can help. We have different injections. There's really multiple ways that we can help, but it's great that we have both the medical team and the cosmetic team to really treat a patient in the full aspect.
And I know what Dr. Garcia, being a veteran, I mean, what he's done for this community, not only serving his country and serving us, but also then giving back in this way with scars. I mean, it is really amazing to see men as well as women, the things that can happen and the transformations that can take place. I mean, I'm just looking back to my time there, and I was really nervous through that process, but so glad, because I knew I was in the absolute best hands. And every single person that I've dealt with there as a provider has been astonishing. I mean, you really have. Your approach is just to each individual patient so in tune with what they need.
And that's what we really try to focus on at Apex, is we try to treat the patient as a whole, not just a number. Once you become part of that Apex family, you're seeing our dermatologists, you're seeing our surgeons, you're seeing our aesthetic providers. We're really kind of trying to have that whole encompassing care, and it's really nice that you have it all under the same roof, so you're not having to kind of go through that trauma over and over again of different offices and referrals to different places. We all have it under the same roof, so that way you're all being taken care of by the Apex family.
And I know we showed the skin cancer situation where we had that removed. What I couldn't show you was something else I was doing with Eva, and that was trying to do our best to remove the scarring from my double mastectomy. So there are just so many ways in which sometimes too you need to take approaches with not just one device. And sometimes to complete everything, it takes more than one situation or more than one laser treatment.
Absolutely. So our aesthetic providers are all trained in all types of modalities. So scars are honestly kind of fun to treat for us because there's so many different treatment approaches, and we can combine different things to really give the patient the best results. Sometimes it's not really a one-size-fits-all treatment. We really customize it to what that scar looks like, where it's at, how long it's been healing, and what the patient's goals are.
It's amazing, and I will go back into aesthetics real quick. As we pull the special promotion up right now, you have, if you buy a laser package, you receive one discount, and there's a wonderful list of discounts there that are happening.
Different types.
So whether you want additional treatments purchased, you can get $150 off, 20% off any additional laser purchase, 20% off any Botox or filler purchase as well. It's in October, the 6th through the 17th, so keep that in mind. You can buy now. It's a great gift to give to someone, too.
Absolutely. There's a lot of different things you can treat with laser, and then you have all these different add-ons, too, that could be really beneficial for someone.
And I will say, which I highly recommend laser-wise, I've done IPL to remove the dark spots, but then adding microneedling. So that's, again, that whole dual, like not just one technique to use. The microneedling has absolutely changed as well, the condition of my skin.
Absolutely. She's the perfect example.
Well, and I think people get nervous about lasers. They hear the word laser and think, a laser on my face, I'm afraid of that. But again, going to the right type of person who knows what they're doing. You are so specific on, well, if you have a little bit of tanner on your skin, I'm not going to put a laser there. So you're really specific about how you're handling it.
Yeah, we're all trained from the companies. We all do a lot of our own research where we're making sure that it's safe for the skin type, that the wavelengths are safe. Each provider has really good background knowledge to make it safe for each patient. And lasers sound scary, but they're really not that bad.
They're not, and I can attest to that time and time again. I will swear by those for the rest of my life. And if you don't want to be injected, that is a great way to keep your skin looking refreshed. 15 locations all over Northeast Ohio, so find the one closest to you. And I'm telling you, every provider at every location, you're wonderful. I've enjoyed working with all of you so much.
Yeah, we appreciate that. You're one of our favorites.
Me on my journey, and it's going to continue with you all. Thank you so much for being here, Eva.
Thank you.